I'm Cheyenne, and I'm the owner of Flower Power Gardening Company. Flower Power Gardening Company does residential and commercial gardening. We do garden design and planting and everything to do with plants. I love being outside, and I really love helping people. So being able to help people with their gardens is like a dream come true. My first job working in horticulture, I started to have a lot of customers ask me questions about plants and gardening and things like that. And they would say to me, I wish you could come to my house and teach me how to garden or garden for me. And that made me realize there's a potential to start a business doing exactly that. Right now I'm pruning this juniper. It has a fungus, so I am trying to prune that out. I know a lot about gardening. When I started, I didn't know much about business. One of the biggest challenges I faced is learning how to connect with clients. I did a search online and I found BusinessLink. The digital marketing program was amazing. Getting to work with a marketing expert who looked at my website and my business and my goals and gave me really targeted and specific advice to achieve those goals was incredible. My business strategist helped me create a really tailored marketing plan that was going to help get me in front of the potential clients I was looking for. The webinars I did at the beginning of my business was just so helpful, giving me so much information, how to run a business, how to set up a business structure. BusinessLink has been an amazing free resource to help me learn how to run a business. If you're thinking of starting a business, I absolutely recommend reaching out to BusinessLink.